Dahil na mga tae na sila, mga abno, na mga boys naman. Tapos ito mga grade 3.
Barako boys.
Puta mo na.
MOP.
Love gel, plangga. Wala love gel.
Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow.
Nadya akong pinog. Tapos, magkakot. Kapag nung malagaw, hindi gasto. Depende man sa upo niyo.
It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can feel those of your needs that you won't let show. So just call on me, brother, when you need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on.
Hanggang dyan, ang pamigalagaw. Tapos, hindi ko ito malimtarang pag-brown, tulong-tulong ako. Hindi ko malimtarang mga magulagaw na mga takol.
You're not strong, I'll be your friend, and I'll help you carry on.
Ang sagyan! Ang sagyan! Ang sagyan! Ang sagyan na sa dyan mo, ikaw may wala ko, dyan na best kasi sa talaga niya kay United sa yung lang inatrate sa katasa sabi niya fencing
You'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me. If there is a load you have to bear that you can carry, I'm right up the road. I'll share your load if you just call me. Call me. Call me. When you need a friend. Call me. Call me. When you need a friend. If you need a friend. Call me. It's Saturday. It won't be long till I'm gonna